Pretty deep. Wow, it's scary, yaar. See, out of nowhere, like near a pond, if I find a well, who would expect this? And the best part about Phe Phe Falls is that you will have this entire place to yourself. There are not much visitors around. The reason being, this place has gained attention recently, in about a year or two, when some pictures were making rounds in social media. So yes, if you are looking into some fresh, unexplored and offbeat places of Meghalaya, this is one of them. So it's a beautiful Saturday morning in Shillong. It's me and Sanjana here waiting for our ride, and yes, there is the ride. Yeah, Jowai. Alright, so it is the same team as yesterday. We have Bhaiya and we have Bauju. Sanjana was with me. I got my tickets for Tura. And Bhaiya ji is also from West Jaintia Hills District, and he is, his hometown is from Fulbari. Ne? Okay. And today we are going to Phe Phe waterfall. We'll be heading towards Jowai. Dauki Jowai road, and it will roughly take around about 2 hours, 2.5. Yeah. So we're gonna go and check out this place. Okay, so we have reached the place, and there are some camps here, and there is this river that we have to cross, but I couldn't find anybody who would help us with that kayak. So we'll probably take this route. We're taking this route. We'll need to hike, and we'll probably cross from that side wherein the river water is shallow. Let's see. That is the campsite. Now if somebody can help you with the kayak, you can cross the river there, or else you have to hike through this way. And yeah, so we'll follow this trail. Hopefully we'll reach the right spot. I have to take my shoes off. Don't want to wet my shoes. This is the only pair of shoes, and I'm leaving tomorrow morning, so I don't want to wet my shoes. Okay, all right. That's the campsite, and I have crossed the river. Now this can be pretty confusing because there is a trail this side as well, but there were a couple of guys in the campsite that asked me to follow this wire which was being lined up. So I'll probably take his word for it and follow this trail. Let's see what happens. It's all about all these rocks and pebbles. This place must have probably been used for coal mining. So we have been following this wire lined up, and this will take us to Phe Phe Falls. Now I'm quite confident. Take a look at this. Okay. Wow. Oi. Huh? This is nah, this is pretty deep. Wow, it's scary, yaar. See, out of nowhere, like near a pond, if I find a well, who would expect this? If not well, this must have been used for this coal mining. But it doesn't make sense, no? Like coal mining besides a river. Nee, Bauju, पानी के सामने तो न गर्नु पर्यो coal mining त. Oh, looks like it must have been a coal mining. Right. I hope we're not late. I don't know, it's around 3 maybe. And we're still following this wire. Hello. Oh wow. So basically Phe Phe Falls is a 2-tire fall. So probably this is the first tire. Wow. Bhai Sahab. Oh my god. Now it's scary as hell. Okay. This is it for me. This much will do. Oh my god. So this is the first tire, the first fall, and then that's the second one. We'll have to cross this. We need to hike from here, go down, and then we can get a better view of the Phe Phe Falls. I'm not sure, okay, because the previous videos that I've watched, they showed that they hiked down through a valley of a broomstick farm. I mean, like there were broomsticks plant. I don't see any now, and I don't see any water as well. Wow, the water is dried up, man. Are they gone? Water is really dried up. Oh, this is slippery. Far, and that's the cliff, the fall. And this is how far am I from the fall. Now cross this river. Take the right. Yeah, we should have taken the right one. This is so slippery, man. If anything happens, I'm swimming to this pit, motherfucker. Alright. Oh, it's like lots of mosques and fog. No, I don't think it's wise to cross this. No. So this is the first fall, the first air fall. Wow, look at that beauty. Wow. Well, the sun is about to set, and this is exactly what I fear about, that we won't be able to complete the second tire of this fall. It's almost 4:30 to 5 now. They are tired because yesterday we went for a treacherous hiking Marvin Kang. It was an uphill struggle. Okay, so we gotta go this way and follow that broomstick plantation there, and we'll descend down. Let's see. Okay, Sanjana is coming. So a couple of things that I've learned in this trip is always keep a backup for your batteries, man. We could have left early today morning, but I forgot to carry a power bank, and as a result I have to wait for an hour for my drone batteries to be charged, and the GoPro as well, and my phone as well, man. So this was a lesson. And second, always follow the sun's movement. My drone footage, I'm not sure, but I don't think it's gonna come out great because the camera was facing the sun and it was sunset. So yeah, hopefully okay. So this is the path exactly. Yes, so this is the broomstick plantation farm. We gotta go through this. And Sanjana is here to accompany me. Good choice you made, Sanjana. These are the few things that you'll remember throughout your life, man. This hiking, the last moment that you stretch yourself, these are the signs of a strong person, strong determination.
Wow!
That is the Phe Phe Falls. Sanjana, how is it?
Amazing!
Is it worth it? I was telling you, man, this is worth it, man. Look at this. Woo! About to trip. See how slippery this trail is. I mean, it is not it's not a tough one. I mean, not even a medium one, but yes, it is slippery. And yeah, you need to wear good grip shoes for this. Oh, this is very steep, okay? Be careful. You hold this one. Wow. So this is Phe Phe Falls. Woo!
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
This is like one of the beautiful falls that I've ever seen in my life. I mean, look at the color. The way it turns blue. Wow, that is magic.
So this was our ending. So Ajay,
Yes.
you want to say something?
Of course, man. So this is day 2 with Sanjana, and she's one heck of a girl. She covered one of the scariest bamboo trail with me till the end. And today, her mom and the driver, they gave up, but this girl, she accompanied me till the end.
Oh.
And that was fun. So while returning, there's like a 10-minute uphill hike, which is pretty normal for such a beautiful view. And the best part about Phe Phe Falls is that you will have this entire place to yourself. There are not much visitors around. The reason being, this place has gained attention recently, in about a year or two, when some pictures were making rounds in social media. So yes, if you're looking into some fresh, unexplored and offbeat places of Meghalaya, this is one of them. Please ignore my huffing and painting. the hike. It's not tough, not at all. Look at this, a kid can do this easily. So anyone can.